Hi, here is the Pentax zoom to X0P overall conditions. Okay. And the bottom part of here is the battery compartment. So you just use a coin or something to open it, twist like this, then, like that. And you're using two CR123A battery that we put accordingly. Press it and like that. After that, we just lock it, and by pulling here to open the back cover, inside will be like this. About the film, we need to slide into here to make sure that the center part of the film have met the motor. Yeah. So slide like this and push the top in. After that, the film tip put onto here. Make sure that your film is flat. Then we just close it and it will auto load. Okay. If you show it like this, which means that it's error or empty, means that it doesn't load the film properly. Because this my film have used many times, so maybe it's very hard for it to load. Yeah. Okay, like that means that it's okay to shoot. Then we just click the on button. Yeah. Then here is the zoom. And zoom out. Now the flash setting is auto, and here is the shutter and viewfinder. When you look into the viewfinder, at the center part of the viewfinder, there's a dot. So you just use that dot to aim whatever you want to focus and half press it. Okay, if the light is keep blinking, this one is the autofocus light, which means that it can't focus. So aim far a bit. Okay, it doesn't blink, it light up, means that it's okay. And the red light stands for the flash, which means that for now it will trigger the flash. Yeah. Then after that, this is the mode, flash mode. Off flash with the night mode. This one is the bug mode. Bug mode stands for like, if I keep pressing the shutter, it will keep open it. For this one is designed for long exposure. Yeah. Then like that. Okay. Then this one is the red light reduction without it, and this one is a timer, also same. Aim to the object you want to shoot, half press and press it, and then here we have a red light light up, means that the timer is start counting. It took around 10 seconds like that lah. This one is continuous shooting, so if you half press and press it, if you didn't release, it will keep shooting. Yeah. Again, this one is double exposure, which means that it will have like double shot in one frame. Now it's 8 by right. If I click it, it will move to another one, but it's still 8. And then only move forward. Yeah. Then INT means that it's like every 60 seconds it will take a one shot. Yeah. Okay, then here is the focus. This one is the landscape mode, which it will focus to infinity. And this one is the portrait and spot metering. Spot metering usually is for the bad light situation. Yeah. And here is the built-in remote. You can take off. Yeah. Here have two. This one is the shooting button, and this one is the zoom. Like that. Then this is the zoom. Okay, again, you have 3 zoom range. Yeah, so it's like from the wide to the mid and the tele one. And if you didn't use it, you just move it back, will do. Yeah. And when you shoot finish, it will auto rewind, so no worry in using. And about here is the date imprinting function. Well, it doesn't until 2035, so maybe you can, like this is off it, and this one is the month, date and year format. You can change the format lah. And some people will change to like the date and the time. How to switch it is quite easy. You just click the select button. Okay, and if blinking, then we click the adjust button to adjust it. Like that. Then move to the minute and adjust it. Okay. And here is the panorama mode. Well, actually it's just like crop the image only. And here is the negative and positive. It's like adjust for some people who wear specs, then you can adjust until it look clear, which means that it's okay. Well, if it's blur, it also doesn't affect anything because the viewfinder doesn't link with the lens. It's just from here, the view angle. Yeah.